Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the new Seiko Astron models. This is a caliber 5X, specifically the caliber 5X53. And the model we're looking at and unboxing today is the SSH019. And here we go with that cool, slick looking box that Astrons come in now. And here we've got it wrapped up in the cloth. I think they do that to help against so it doesn't get the signal when it's transporting with that cloth with the Astron. There's your books and guides. Okay, on to the fun stuff. Let's take a look at the watch. It's kind of nice that they put the Seiko logo on there, otherwise it'd just be a bag. Here we go. That is a really stunning bluish purple face. Really sharp. Very handsome looking. And you can see these new Astrons are ultra thin compared to the other Astron models. It's got a very slick futuristic design. It was actually inspired by where Astron gets its namesake, the 1969 Astron, the first quartz watch. Now Astron watches are solar powered, and they have they're able to get a satellite receiver because they've got a GPS built in. And when they first came out, the watches were thicker. Now the technology has increased, and so they're able to get it here in this metal ring, the bezel around it. Before, they always used to be ceramic, so it's kind of cool to see the technology change and move. Astrons are a little more of a limited Seiko watch. You don't really find them as much as you would find some of the other Seiko models. And here's another look at the face. Really nice. It kind of changes from like more of a blue to a purplish blue in the different lights, and you'll see it as I'm switching from different angles on the face. So yes, the GPS controlled time function, it receives a signal twice a day, and it's got a perpetual calendar built into the clock as well, and the perpetual calendar is correct to the year 2100, and that's pretty cool if you think about it. Very futuristic styling of watch. And I think the Astron series is a series where Seiko is looking towards the future and what the future of watches could be, while at the same time still being a watch and not a mini computer like most smartwatches are. So I'll go ahead and slip this on my wrist, and you can see there it's a nice size watch. It's a little bit on the bigger side, but because of the thinness of the watch, it's actually quite comfortable and doesn't fit like a big watch where you're kind of banging it around if you're not careful. My wrist is a 7.5-inch wrist. The watch itself is 41.4 millimeter, and the thickness is 13.3 millimeters. Here we can see it in the dark in our deco look. Thanks for taking the time to check out the video. Bye guys.